very important for those working with students who have minimal expressive communication to model the use of core vocabulary throughout the day. For example, if I'm sitting on the floor playing with a group of kids, I might look at them and say, "Ooh, I like it." And if we're taking turns, I might say something like, "Uh-oh, it's not your turn, it's his turn," so that we're modeling communication for them throughout the day. Another thing that we can do is we need to invite our students to use the board, using a long extended wait period. We can sit with an expectant wait, but we never take a student's hand and use hand over hand to point to something on this board. The other thing that we need to do is attribute meaning to anything that a student might do. If a student is sitting at a lunch table and they touch not, and their face and their nonverbals are telling us that they don't like something, I might say, "Oh, I just saw you touch not. It looks like you're telling me I don't like it."